family Kaz. Yellowstone National Park, here we come.
Dad, I see a sign. It says, "Welcome to Wyoming."
Haha, wow, look at that.
Are we there yet? Are we THER yet? Almost, Jake. But I want to be there now. Just a little longer.
Jake, we still have 1 more hour. Try to be patient, sweetie.
Laughs. Oh no. Flat tire. Right in the middle of nowhere.
Dad, can you fix it? Do you know how?
I know how. Of course. Every problem has a solution. Watch and learn, Emma.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. Whoop.
Dad, I found a tiny circle thing. Is it important?
Where did you find that, Jake? Jake. That's the lug nut. Put it right here, buddy. Good job.
You know what? You kids are learning real life skills today. Not from a screen, Dav, from real life.
Done. The spare tire is on. We are back in business, family.
Wow, look at that! It's even more beautiful than I remember. Look, a squirrel! We made it!
Oh my gosh, Guide, it's so beautiful. Look at those mountains, Mom.
They are, aren't they? So amazing.
Yellowstone is America's first national park. Can you believe that? The very first one out ever.
Dad, what does national park mean?
It means we're here. It means the government protects this land forever. No buildings, how? Just nature.
Whoa!
Nobody move. Stay completely still. Bison are unpredictable.
Oh, Dad, it is so big. Is it dangerous?
Yes. We respect it. We never get closer than 75 feet. That is the park rule. I thought I was gonna become a bison snack.
You were very brave, Jake. You stayed still. That was the right thing to do.
Of course. I am very brave. Bison are scared of ME.
Look at that.
Wow, it's amazing.
I've never seen anything like it. Is that Old Faithful?
Ew, Juan. What is that SMEL? It smells like rotten eggs.
That smell is sulfur pied. It comes from deep inside the earth. That means we are close to the geysers.
Yes.
Is the earth on fire down there, Dad?
Not fire, but super hot water, like a giant kettle boiling underground. Pretty cool, right?
Wow. I think it's about to start.
Oh, wow, look at it go.
It's so big. Amazing.
Quick, take a picture.
Wow, look at that.
It's starting!
Whoa!
Incredible!
That is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
Woo! It's like a water rocket! Again! Do it again!
This is why we do these trips, Tom. Moments like this call, you can't buy them.
perfect campsite. Fresh air, pine trees, and no Wi-Fi. This is living.
I love it here. It smells like Christmas and campfire together.
Okay, Team Pods. Everyone has a job. Tom, fire pit. Emma, gather dry sticks. Jake, you are my helper for dinner.
I am the dinner helper? That is the most important job ever.
Great job, Emma. Dry sticks are perfect for starting a fire. You chose well. Fire is so beautiful. And so scary at the same time. That feeling means you respect fire, buddy. Respect keeps you safe. Never get too close, Bear, okay?
Okay. Mom-com, did you bring marshmallows? Please say yes. P-L-E-S, say yes.
Of course I did, sweetie. Here you go. Would I ever forget marshmallows? Day 1. Flat tire. Bison. Old Faithful. Best day ever. Okay, everyone, Dan. Camp Chili is ready. Come and get it before it gets cold.
Chili! My favorite! I am so hungry.
Lisa Purim, this might be the best chili you have ever made.
Seriously. It is the exact same recipe I always make at home. Fresh air just makes everything taste better. Mm-hmm, absolutely.
All right, Team Quanend. Who is ready for s'mores? And then...
I have a surprise for tonight. Slow and steady. Golden brown. No burning. Perfect s'more needs patience. Oh, no. No, no way! My marshmallow is on fire! It's okay, I'll help. It is! Crispy. Very, very crispy. It is. Crispy. Very, very crispy.
You know what, buddy? Some people actually love burnt marshmallows. Extra crispy man. That is a STIL.
Wait. This is actually really good?
The crispy part is amazing.
Okay, Fur, no matter how you make it, s'mores are always the best camping food.
Dad, something is out there. In the dark. I heard it. It's okay, Jake. We'll find out what it is. I'm right here.
Food buy. Inside. Right now. Everyone stay calm and stay together. Go!
Hello? Who is there? A raccoon? I was terrified of a little raccoon?
Oh, Jake.
See those little paws? Raccoons always wash their food before eating. They are actually very clean animals.
I am going to draw you. You are beautiful.
We admire from a distance, okay? Wild animals are not pets, Par, but we can appreciate how wonderful they are.
Okay, family 10. Now it is time for my surprise. Everyone climb on top of the RV. Trust me. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. All right, you're almost there. Just one more step.
Wow.
Oh my gosh! I have never seen this many stars in my entire life! Tom, this is absolutely perfect. Thank you for this trip.
I cannot count them. There are too many. My brain is full. See that thick glowing stripe up there? That is the Milky Way, our entire galaxy. Billions of stars together.
Wait, Dad. We are actually inside that? We are part of the galaxy right now?
Exactly right, Emma. Every single person on Earth is a tiny part of this galaxy. That is pretty amazing to think about.
Yeah.
Shooting star! Right there!
Oh!
Did you see it?
Quick, pal! Everyone close your eyes and make a wish. You have to wish before the trail disappears.
I wish for 1,000,000 ice creams and to fly like a superhero and... I wished for a pet raccoon. The one from tonight. I want to name him Bandit.
Raccoons need to live free in nature, Jake. But I love that you care about animals so much. That is a good heart.
I wish that we do this every single year. Same family, same stars, different adventure. I know, honey. Me too.
Okay, Explorer's Bed. Before bed, we do our favorite thing. Memory game. Who remembers every big moment from today? Flat tire pen, Bison, Old Faithful pen, smelly sulfur, chili dinner, burnt marshmallow, raccoon named Bandit, shooting star, and Dion. Perfect, Jake. Every single one. And what is the most important rule we learned today about camping?
Never leave food outside.
Bears have a super nose. All right, team. Beds are calling. Big sunrise hike tomorrow call. We need energy. Everyone down the ladder carefully.
Today was the best day of my whole life. Even better than my birthday. Go to sleep, Jake.
They are going to remember this trip forever.
Rise and shine, explorers. Sunrise hike starts in 15 minutes. Let's go, let's go! 5 more minutes. Just 5.
Please, Dad. 5 minutes.
Huh.
Dad, look. I can see my breath.
Am I breathing fire?
Mom, everything is so quiet in the morning. It feels like the whole world is still waking up.
Do you hear that? Sounds like water. Running water somewhere close. Nobody knows about this place. This is OUR Waterfall. We discovered it.
It is so cold and so clear. I can see every single rock at the bottom.
This is why you get off the main path sometimes. The best things are never on the map.
Everyone together. Waterfall behind us. This photo goes on our wall at home, pen. Forever.
Oh, yeah! Dad's sad. Do we really have to go? Can we just live here forever? In the forest?
The reason we have to leave is so we can always come back. If we stayed forever all, it would stop being special. You understand?
Fire is completely out, Mom. Cold and safe. I checked twice.
Leave no trace. We take everything we brought. Nature stays perfect. Goodbye, Bandit. Stay safe, little raccoon. I will never forget you.
Emma.
He heard me. He said goodbye back. Goodbye, Yellowstone. We will be back.
Do you want to know what I wrote in my journal? I wrote, "Nature is the best classroom." I also have a journal. In my head, I remember everything.
So Ass, next trip, where are we going? Grand Canyon? Glacier? Smoky Mountains?
Grand Canyon! I want to see the biggest hole in the whole world! Jake Pam, the Grand Canyon is not just a hole. It took 5 million years for the Colorado River to carve it. Whoa! How do you know all this stuff? Are you secretly a scientist? Mm-hmm.
Okay, explorers, Dan. Final vocabulary review. I say a word. Dan, you tell me what it means. Ready? First word, Tao. Geyser.
Hot water that shoots up from underground like a rocket. We saw Old Faithful.
Yep, that's it. Next word now. Nocturnal.
Animals that sleep in the day and wake up at night. Tao, like our raccoon bandit.
Last one, Vaumb. And this is the most important word of the whole trip. The word is wow. Adventure. That is the best answer I have ever heard in my entire life. I am so proud of you both.
Thank you for coming on our adventure today. We went to Yellowstone Call, and now you know about geysers and bison and raccoons too.
If you enjoyed our Yellowstone adventure time, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for our next trip.